The chief guest of today's event, Mr. Mervyn Fernandez, who is an Olympic hockey gold medalist, Arjuna awardee, India hockey legend. Our guest of honor, Mr. Joachim Carvalho, Olympian Arjuna awardee, former captain and coach of Indian team. Father Isaac, Father Vicky, Father George, Father Suman, Dr. Ricky, Principal of Agnel Polytechnic, Mr. Bruno Carvalho, Principal of our Agnel High Secondary, Mr. Conrad, Headmaster of our Father Agnel School, Mr. Alfonso, Headmaster of our Catering College, various staff from the various institutions here at Agnel Ashram, members of the press and media, sponsors, parents, students, and my dear friends. What a lovely day for us today when we can speak and play and promote our national sport. The only sport we have dominated in the Olympics till the time they changed the format and the surface of the game. Today, however, we are on a mission to change that, especially in our state of Goa. At the outset, I'd like to welcome one and all to this special event, the launching of a hockey program in our school. It was a few months ago, I made a call to Mr. Joachim Carvalho with a proposal to collaborate with us to start a grassroots program in our school. He, without any hesitation, literally jumped to the idea. Since then, we have been planning, and today we are inaugurating a well thought out program. It is truly an honor for us to collaborate with the two hockey legends who jointly played over 400 games for India. It is not only an honor, it is an assurance that our program is in safe hands. Dear children, with us we have today the former or the Virat Kohli and the Rahul Dravid of our Indian hockey. They were so good and popular during their time. And we are really blessed and honored to have them amidst us to help us in this, our venture. We understand it is difficult for students to come after school to learn the fine skills of hockey, given the fact that they are busy with a mirage of other things. So we thought of integrating the hockey training in the school curriculum. That is, they will learn the fine skills of hockey and practice during the PD period. Last month, Mr. Joachim and his team selected about 90 students from first and second standard classes. They are these children seated right here in beautiful, colorful outfits. I'm sure among them there are a few future Olympians like Joachim and Mervyn. We are planning and hope to lay a hockey turf with the help of sponsors and well-wishers. We are still looking for sponsors, so if you know of someone who can help us in this venture, please come forward with your suggestions. However, today we are looking forward to a successful program with the support from the various stakeholders. So without much ado, I again welcome you all. Enjoy the event. Thank you for joining us and accepting our invitation. I'd like to make a special mention of the media from the various media houses who are present here this morning. Thank you for your coverage and support towards our hockey program. Again, thanks to you all and God bless you.
In the hot sun, and you'll have watched a good game of hockey and would not like to hear much from me, but I have to speak a little bit, so please bear with me. First of all, Father, thank you for having both Joachim and me here today to witness this wonderful game of hockey. which has been our passion as youngsters. I don't know how to say this. Joachim and me always wanted to be among children. And what better way than being here at Father Agnell to ensure that we encourage hockey in Goa. The entire atmosphere is so electrifying because it's all children everywhere. And that's what we're going to enjoy supporting. Father, if you remember, we discussed this. It was just a couple of months ago that Joachim spoke with you, and it was decided that we'll nurture the youngsters over here. And I must say, all those who are here, that this is the most wonderful thing that within a couple of months, this whole thing has been organized, and most of all, an AstroTurf is going to be laid hopefully soon enough at the particular basketball court. So a round of applause for this wonderful, wonderful thing. Father, I've never seen such a quick response to us wanting to support hockey anywhere. And the kids, you all are blessed that you all have Father supporting you all not only in hockey but in other games too. But our idea is to encourage hockey because, if I may say so, Joachim and me, correct me if I'm wrong, are the last Olympians in hockey in Goa. So we want and we aspire that there will be more Olympians from here to take the name of Goa in a different way altogether. And I'm sure with the hard work of Father, it will be possible. I would like to share with you all why this becomes so important to be here. I was in Fatima High School in Ambernath, and I have a photograph that I shared with Father Agnello. I was as young as these kids that I see here, and that stick was longer than me, and I would never have thought that I held that stick as these kids held, that one day I would represent the country and make Goa proud. And why would I say that? I would say that because the Pillar fathers were in Ambernath. I remember we had Father Narona, Father Ferrao, Father Basil Fernandez, Father Orlando. They were all Pillar fathers who supported the sport. And today, Father Agnello, you're doing that. And I'm sure when somebody has taken so much interest, the fruits may take a bit long, but definitely we are on the right track. I would never ever been able to represent India had the schools not supported me. We had a small bunch of guys, very few guys who played hockey. We went to the priest and we told them, Father, we're interested in playing inter-schools. They allowed us. And that is how some of us have done well. The Pillar fathers have always supported sport, and I wish them all the very best. We will try everything possible, Joachim and me, for ensuring that we are here. A small thing I just want to share about Joachim Carvalho. You're there, Joachim's there, I'm also there along, and we will definitely have, God willing as they say, some player from Goa, from this particular young group, representing the country someday. We hope and pray it will happen. So with best wishes, God bless, take care, and we'll keep in touch. In fact, not in touch, we'll be here very often to spend time with you all. That's our promise. Thank you everybody, and thank you the press. In fact, a special praise for ensuring that you're all here in good numbers to support this wonderful, wonderful way of, trying to get hockey involved in Goa. So thank you once again. God bless. Take care.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.